Hey guys, welcome to another one of CMI's unboxing videos. Today I'm testing out the DistraKted wireless Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to test out their durability, test out their sound quality, and even pair them with another one and see how they improve. Then there guys, comes in a nice little compact box. It says they're stereo sound, water resistant and micro SD. On the back it's got some more information for you as well. It also says that you can connect two together and it's shock resistant. So we're going to be testing all that today. And on the inside, got your speaker there and some nice plastic wrapped up for you. So that's really nice. Again, with the branding's really nice on these guys. Pretty light, not heavy at all. I really like that. Buttons on top. And this is what's inside the box. Alright, so I'm guessing to turn on, you just turn the on button on. There you go. There's your sound effects again. And paired. So again, same as the other ones, the Bluetooth symbol next to it is how much charge I've got. This one comes with half charge. Let's test out the sound. Oh my god! So that packs a real punch. My volume wasn't even up full and that just hit like no tomorrow. That sound is incredible. And the bass is still really there. Let's see how this goes with two. So, we're gonna need this one. User manual. How do I pair two? Turn this one on. And then hold the Bluetooth button down for oh, hold up. There we go. It's like the best thing I've ever heard in my life. That is amazing sound quality. The stereo is so good. That's why I was being a weirdo holding it up to my ears, because I just wanted to see how that stereo was, and that is not a letdown at all. I mean, one on its own is really good, but the two together just fills a space. And the two together is like, they're still smaller than my big speaker, and they're so much more compact and easy to travel with. Alright, up next, let's test it if it's waterproof. Now there is a part on the side there. You need to make sure that it's properly sealed. Its water rating is IPX56, capable of withstanding inclement weather. I'm going beyond these limits. Let's play the music. And if it turns off at any point, then it's not water resistant. Alright. Pretty wet there. My towel's pretty wet by this stage. Still holding up. I think we're thinking big enough here. It's drenched. So you're at your party. You've accidentally dropped your speaker in the pool. It's absolutely drenched, but you saved it. It's still working, still sound. But you want to hang it up somewhere high to be safer. You know, sensible decision. But what happens if it drops off there? Is it still going to work? Well, let's go test that. Alright, so we dropped it and it still works. The two grills fell off, but the speaker's still perfectly functioning. The only thing I want to see now is if it's still waterproof without these parts attached. I'm so nervous.
Exercise isn't about being perfect. It's just
it's drenched and it is still working. I'm not entirely sure how high that drop was, but it is like a good 3 meters plus. And this still works. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went home, I tested these guys out. The sound, still amazing. I even tested leaving them out in the rain. They were fine out in the rain. The 15-meter range, again, perfectly fine to leave it in one spot around and then walk around the house with your phone. The sound for the size is incredible. It definitely beats some of my bigger speakers that I already own. And the two paired together just produce an even more full-bodied sound. And the stereo in these is really good. As you can see, let me get the damaged one for you. It's got the 2 speakers, so it is giving you stereo in the one little one. But the moment you put 2, the stereo is amazing. I can't get over how small and how good the speaker is and the durability of it. So I guess that's all I have to say about the wireless Bluetooth DistraKted speaker. And I'll see you guys next time.